Hi everyone. In this position, white is a very interesting checkmate. Um, you guys can pause the video if you want to solve it, and I'll go over it in a second. Alright, so it is white's turn, and in order to win the game, there are only two things white can try to do. Number one is to try to move the knight to a square like c7, like through either e6 or through like a6, right? Number two, somehow this bishop captures a pawn on b7. That's going to be the other checkmate. But this has to be forced. For example, if we try to move knight through e6, black can actually move a pawn, and no longer this checkmate works because king can escape. Same thing over here. If we move the bishop first to try to attack over there, they can move a pawn, and then king is an escape square. So, in order to be able to win this, we actually have to block this pawn. So we have to move the knight to a6. Now again, if they capture us with the pawn, bishop e4 makes a checkmate. But if they capture us with the bishop, this is going to be important because now we're going to put the opponent to a zugzwang, meaning all the moves that they're going to do, or they can do, are going to be losing. So once you move the bishop to e4, we are pinning the pawn on b7, but they have no good moves. So they can move their bishop, or they can move these pawns. And if the bishop goes anywhere, we will capture on b7, and that makes a checkmate. If they advance the pawns, you just capture, and eventually they're again going to be forced to move their bishop. And then you get to do this checkmate. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.